Okay, just got out the shower, so this is the hair wet. I'm gonna spray it with some leave-in conditioner. Alright, so that was the leave-in conditioner. So there is my actual hair texture. I don't have heat damage. I've never put any heat in it except for like a blow dryer. So I'm going to start on the process of doing my hair. I just want y'all to see what happens after I wash it. I got pretty little little things up there. Oh, they're so cute. Okay, so I've started on my hair, and so I've got one little space done. The last time I did this, I did it without rubber bands, but I had to do it with rubber bands because for some reason my hair is thicker than usual. And so once I finish this side, I'll come back and check in with y'all. Okay, I'm back. So I've done this side, and with the back part, you actually braid into, you part it and braid it and just braid it down. So that's how I do the back part. But I'm gonna get started on this side. All right, so I've got my whole head down, and I don't know what time it is, but I'm gonna keep pushing forward and go ahead and start the install. Yeah, you know, I would rather argue than me sleep alone. Rather call you out than no one call my phone. Hold my grudge instead of having none to hold. None to hold.